Hello friends, I am Sangeeta, a lifestyle content creator. Today I am excited to show you around the West Side store located at Commercial Street, Bangalore. Get ready for a sneak peek at their awesome home decor collection. This video is like having a virtual shopping trip. Let's check it out together. One of my absolute favorite sections at Westside is their artificial flower collection. As soon as I step into the store, I make sure I go and visit the flower section. There is something so magical about being surrounded by a sea of lifelike blooms, each one adding a touch of beauty and elegance to any space. From vibrant tulips to delicate roses, their section never fails to captivate me. So, if you ever find yourself at Westside, be sure to stop by the flower section. It's a feast for the senses. The price of the flowers starts from 129 rupees and they are just so amazing. Introduce a vibrant splash of color and lush greenery to your surroundings with artificial plants from Westside Home. These lifelike creations boost rich hues that infuse a bold and captivating essence into your decor, serving as a stunning focal point for your living room, office, or any area in need of a lively touch. With a diverse range of plant sizes available, there is something to suit every space and preference. Whether you are looking for a petite plant for your office desk, a cozy corner, or a statement piece for your living area, Westside Home has you covered. What's more, these artificial plants are remarkably realistic yet require minimal maintenance. A simple wipe with a damp cloth keeps them looking fresh and vibrant. Particularly, I was impressed with the bamboo and the rubber plant. They looked so real. The price range of these plants are between 599 INR to 4999 INR. These artificial plants offer an accessible way to bring the beauty of nature into your home, even for those with busy schedules. So, if you crave the serenity of greenery but you find yourself short on time, look no further. Westside Homes artificial plants are the perfect solution for your home. I also wanted to take a moment to highlight the stunning planter collection available at Westside Home. It's truly a sight to behold with options that are not only upmarket but also right on trend. No matter what your planting needs may be, Westside Home has you covered with a diverse range of planters. What caught my eye the most were the metallic planters exuding a sense of sophistication and elegance that instantly elevates any space. From sleek and modern designs to more ornate styles, there is something to suit every taste and aesthetic preferences. Furthermore, Westside Home offers planters in a variety of shapes and sizes, ensuring that you will find the perfect match for your plants and your decor. Whether you are looking for something compact for your small apartment or a statement piece to anchor a larger room, you will find what you need among their selection. The price range for the planter starts at 1499 INR and goes up to 5999 INR. After exploring, I have come to the fact that selecting both the plants and the planter from Westside Home can be just more convenient. It ensures harmonious and cohesive aesthetic throughout your space. By coordinating your choices, you can achieve a seamless integration of style and functionality, elevating the overall ambience of your home or office. Westside Home boasted an array of stunning showpieces that exuded modernity and contemporary flair. Among them, the candlelight holders stood out, catching the eye with their exquisite design and craftsmanship. Starting from an affordable 599 INR, these candle holders added both style and ambience to any space. Moreover, their table accessories and the clock collections were equally captivating, showcasing a blend of elegance and functionality. From vases to sleek clocks, these decor pieces ranged from 599 to 1499 INR, offering options to suit various tastes and budgets. Whether you are looking to elevate your living room, dining area, or workspace, Westside Home had the perfect accents to enhance your decor with sophistication and charm. So next time when you step into Westside, don't forget to check out this section and collect some artifacts from here. The fragrance section at Westside is another personal favorite of mine, especially their scented candles. Starting at price point of just 299 INR, these candles offer an affordable yet luxurious way to infuse your space with delightful aroma. At Westside Home, I discovered a treasure trove of unique containers that add character to my kitchen. They start at a reasonable price of 399 INR, ranging up to 1999 INR. These containers offer both functionality and style. What captivates the most are the delightful pastel colors they come in, adding a touch of whimsy and elegance to my kitchen decor. Whether I am storing spices, grains, or snacks, these containers not only serve a practical purpose but also enhances the aesthetic appeal of my kitchen. I am in awe with Westside Home's cup and cocktail mocktail glass collections with their price range spanning from 499 to 899 INR. These cups and glasses offer affordability and style. What sets them apart is not just their functionality but also their aesthetic appeal. They look absolutely stunning. Whether you are enjoying a refreshing beverage or simply adorning your kitchen shelves, these glasses add a touch of elegance and charm to your setting. Another standout feature of Westside Home section is their cushion collection. These exudes class and elegance capable of brightening up any mood and enhancing the comfort of your living space. That wraps up today's video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe. Bye bye.